Okay, we're going to start that video again. Sometimes in the studio, we don't have the best reception, so you'll have to forgive me, but I was just kind of chatting, letting everybody know that we have a brand new platter that we are debuting today. Yes, in the kitchen with David, second up, so that'll be 12:15. Good morning, Mary. How are you? Good morning, Jenny. Sorry, my previous video kind of conked out on us. So just letting you know, 20-inch platter, largest we've ever done. It's going to hold a 25-pound turkey. And I have to tell you, we have been working on this platter for close to probably a year and a half because it's the largest one that we've ever offered. So exciting. Matthew, lost you. Sorry. It's the reception here. Real quick, do we want to see a little behind the scenes? Everybody getting ready for In the Kitchen with David. All of the hustle and bustle that's going on here. But as promised, I'm going to turn this around and show you what's coming up. Second up, only order of the year. So just fair warning, what we have is what we have. And I want to show you what we do have. So hang on. Good morning. Okay, so this is our 20-inch platter. Yes, we did it in holiday, but then we also did it in festive fetty and green and red and cranberry, all of your favorite colors, your eggplant, your confetti, your blue, your brown, your spice, your black. And then look at how beautiful our floral lace with festive and green and red. Cranberry, we tried to include all of our colors, our blue, our light blue, our eggplant, chocolate, of course, our spice, and our black. So many different things you can do with it. Please make us buffetti dinnerware. Oh, that's a great idea, Matthew. Great idea. Good morning, everybody. So excited to share this with all of you and give you, again, a little sneak peek of everybody getting ready before the big show. Sorry, I'll try not to do that too much. Hi, Tara from Madison, Indiana. I was saying it certainly was very cold this morning when I woke up, but I have to tell you, with all these amazing ideas. Look at this antipasto platter. I have to tell you, I could live on a cheese board. That's like my fave. But also look at the different things, using it as a centerpiece, which I love. Look at it, using it for some of your latkes and things like that. And then our sandwich platter, our nachos. But it's all about just how exciting it is. The largest platter that we've ever offered. Only order of the year. And I don't know if it's been announced, but it's on 6 Easy Pay. Did I just let the cat out of the bag? I don't know. All right, well, hopefully I will see all of you with David. And I have a little surprise for him as well. So tune in probably around 12:15 Eastern time, and I will share with you this amazing platter. Bye, have a great day.